Hi there. As you know that we are running a full stack application e-commerce. As part of our component testing, we basically conducted a unit test. Now it's time for conducting a Navbar component testing. We considered several test cases. The first one we were interested in is whether it renders the Navbar component. Yeah, it rendered the Navbar component for both desktop and mobile views. And then we considered another test case with like if it renders the right scroll button initially. Yes, for mobile view initially it renders the right scroll button. And the next one is if it shows the left scroll button after scrolling right. Yes, as you're seeing after scrolling right, it shows the left scroll button in mobile view. And then another test case is it hides the right scroll button when scroll to the end, right? When we are scrolling to the end, the right scroll button hides, is hidden. And the next one is scrolls left and right when buttons are clicked. As you're seeing, when buttons are clicked, it is scrolling left and right. And the next one we're interested in is whether it renders the mobile only search bar. So actually, the client requested us to design a search bar in the navbar component for mobile views and in header component in the desktop view. So it renders the mobile only search bar for this component. So as you're saying, it also test passed. And finally, it has correct ARIA attributes and roles. In this way, we conducted several test cases and these are passed. Thank you very much.